Welcome back, everyone. So a little nip tuck can go a long way, but there's no need to go under the knife to get the results you're looking for. Here with some quick beauty fixes is Dr. Sanaz Harirchian and her patient, Tiffany McCleary. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
So we're going to be talking about cosmetic facial procedures today, right? These are all for your face and quick fixes and really ones that fit all budget types.
Absolutely, so that you can have it done on Friday and you'll be great to go out the next day.
Okay, so talk about what you're going to do first. This is what you're going to demonstrate on.
Sure. So Tiffany is bothered by the hollows underneath her eyes. She just feels like she can see them in photographs. She feels like makes her eyes look a little bit more tired. So we are going to do some under eye filler with a blunt cannula.
Okay, go ahead and show us how you do this and kind of walk us through. This is a new product or filler that you guys have.
Absolutely. So this is called Volbella. It's a brand new filler that just came out approximately a few months ago. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm filling some of the hollows that are underneath her eye area. So look up straight for me.
And we're keeping it wide in case any of our viewers are a little squeamish of needles. However, a needle is not used here.
No, this is actually a blunt cannula. So you have less bruising, less swelling, much less recovery time. And the entire point of this is really to eliminate the dark circles, which is what a lot of my patients complain about, is they just feel like they see some dark circles underneath her eyes. And this will eliminate it in a few minutes.
And Tiffany, what does it feel like?
It actually doesn't feel like anything. I don't feel, I feel a little bit of pushing, a little bit of pressure, and then not much else.
So how long will this last for, the desired results?
Approximately 9 months to a year.
Okay, and who is it designed for? Is it for, Tiffany's fairly young. Could this have the same kind of success in an older patient as well?
Absolutely, it's for all age types. So anybody who has dark circles under their eyes, that's from hollowing, this can benefit.
And what are you doing now, doctor?
So I'm basically laying the filler in really, really small layers to fill the area of the hollow. And then I'm sculpting it with my finger, and then I'm taking a look and deciding whether it's enough. And then we'll go to the other side. So far it's looking really great.
And the downtime would be very minimal.
Very minimal.
She could go back to work the next day?
Absolutely. She can go back to work in a few hours.
In a few hours even, okay.
Absolutely.
All right, as she recovers there on that
great.
one side, we're gonna show some before and after pictures for some other popular procedures right now.
Absolutely.
To hopefully give people an idea of just what is out there. Okay, first for smile lines. That's one that a lot of people probably come in and ask about.
Absolutely. Same thing. You can do fillers to that area. Typically lasts about 9 months to a year. So this is a patient immediately before and after. So already you can see a great result and it looks better in a week.
Okay, the next one is the chemical peels. Those are really popular too.
And you can do those very light chemical peels with no downtime, or you can do, in this gentleman, I did a deep peel, and you can see so many of his wrinkles are gone.
Are more men asking for chemical peels?
They are. More men are asking for more cosmetic procedures in general. They have to keep up, right?
And these are fairly budget conscious too, the chemical peels,
we
right?
have
How much are those?
Ranging from anywhere from $150 to $1,000. It really just depends on the depth.
Okay, talking about lips now. That used to be a procedure where you could automatically tell if somebody had lip injections done, but not so much anymore. They're more natural looking.
Absolutely. Fillers, it's all about technique. You can make somebody look rejuvenated and really natural.
All right. If we have, there's one of the lip pictures there. So is that the before and the after
That's
there?
immediately after.
Okay.
You can see that you wouldn't know that she had her lips done.
And then we also have the under eyes that we were doing here, something similar to that. We have a before and after of that as well. So what were you able to improve there?
The dark hollows and the circles that you see. She just looks so much more refreshed.
All right. Well, hey, thanks so much for coming in. We appreciate you guys sharing these with us. We know cosmetic procedures are extremely on the rise, maybe due to the Kardashians. I don't know. Hey, but thanks so much. We appreciate it. Let's send it over to Lisa now. She's got a check of that cool front on the way.